We are the largest provider of healthcare information in the form of leaflets in the UK. So for Diabetes UK, we would take your information and place them in those displays, and we have 6,000 GP surgeries. And you've probably
in the UK?
In the UK, and you've got them in your doctor's surgery.
Yeah.
We cover 6,000 doctor's surgeries, where there's something like a registered patient population of 38 million.
This is our waiting room information service. Research shows this is when patients take more notice of your message, and many feel it's endorsed by the health professionals.
I think information is power. We know from research that's been done in general practice that about 70% of what we talk to a patient about in the consultation, the patient will have forgotten by the time they get to the car park.
We received not long ago a letter from a patient, and it was on the early onset of prostate cancer. And he too took it up with the doctor, and he was able to have an early diagnosis. He kindly wrote into us, and he quoted, "I read your leaflet and saw my doctor, it saved my life." We work with the leading charities, with government departments like the Department of Health or the Department of Working Pensions, and with the leading pharmaceutical companies.
At Solvay, for example, they used IDS to promote patient awareness of Omicron.
It is specific to cardiometabolic diseases, so Omicron for secondary prevention of MI, so after a heart attack.
The idea was to reach out to patients with this leaflet.
Getting them to be asking their physicians and nurses for the right treatments and the right management options. And this is a great way of getting to a large number of patients at a point at which they're going to see their GP and their nurse. So I think it's worked really well for us.
At Novo Nordisk, their campaign to raise awareness of and treatment for the menopause faced some difficult obstacles.
They don't discuss the symptoms of the menopause because quite a lot of them are embarrassing. Once they know a bit more about the condition, I think it gives them the confidence to go and see their doctor or nurse and get something done about it.
Their leaflet was part of a marketing mix to overcome those obstacles.
That has been successful to a point of where we've expanded that to pharmacies and dentists also.
It's not unusual to have a patient who's picked up a leaflet from the stand and actually brought it in and said, you know, I've been reading this, doctor, and actually I've got this problem, and what it says there can be something done about it.
And on the Isle of Wight, IDS has teamed up with the PCT and the island's pharmacies. For every pharmacy on the island now has an IDS spinner.
Part of the contractual requirement for community pharmacy is that they support public health campaigns.
It's loaded for us, so we never have to worry about reloading it. We use it when we do MURs with our patients, so we can hand out more leaflets for them. For me, it's brilliant. Absolutely wonderful.
IDS is also introducing digital marketing with these flat-screen digital advertising panels. And for healthcare professionals, leafletstoyou.co.uk, our new web-based service where you can order leaflets within 48 hours in any quantity.
Instead of searching around on the internet for various charities or health information sites, you can go to one site.
So how does it all work?
Parent talk, yeah. Then tot watch.
Well, this is where your leaflets are sorted, counted, prepared and packed. But it doesn't end here. An independent market research company analyses the effectiveness of your campaign. We feed this back to you.
If you're spending money, you want to make sure it's achieving your objectives. And so that's how important the research is. Now, not all campaigns will meet the objectives. That's not a bad thing, and the research will show that, but it allows you, if you identify what the problems are, to modify your campaign so you can meet your future objectives. That's the value of the research that we do.
We'll also advise on the content and layout of your leaflet. IDS offers you a complete service. It's a service that is proven. It's highly professional. And above all, it works.